the mantra, I love this body. I love this body. This body is awesome. All right, showing up on day 25 here, getting this going. You're 3/4 of the way through this journey. Got beautiful skies behind in the fall. Fall is a nice time, but you see I got the beanie and the light hoodie on, so weather's definitely changing, but it's still sunny. We're still out here. It's not winter yet, so we're getting the steps in now. That's what it's all about, showing up for yourself, showing up today, making today a good day because you're out here for yourself, and that's what's important. It's not that destination, that's part of it, but it's a journey. What you learn on the journey is what's the most important thing. And it's important that you take the time to actually learn those lessons. And be grateful for today. Have a great day. Namaste. These big hills here in the neighborhood are something. If you just keep a steady pace, concentrate on your pranayama or your breathing. Keep it steady, breathing in slow through your nose. Take that deep inhale, slow your heart rate down. That way you can keep moving step by step. And slowly but surely, we got a little ways to go still, but slowly but surely, you'll make it. Believe in yourself. You got this. We're behind you. You're doing great. If you're on this challenge and you're at day 25, 3/4 of the way, man, you did it. That's awesome. Proud of you. You should be proud of you. Slow breath in. Calm my own heart rate down. Make sure you hydrate. Bring a little water or something with you. That way you can go just a little bit further. I'm not trying to be better than anybody else, remember. Just trying to be a better version of yourself today. And today could be a different starting point for everybody. Every day you're starting off different. Some days you feel great. You feel limber, feel strong. Other days you wake up, you don't know. Maybe sleeping patterns got messed up or something, but sorry, I'm out of breath here. We're also at elevation here. Little 360 quick pan. Self-love. That's what we're doing right here. Making our body strong, our body healthy. Remember the mantra, I love this body. I love this body. This body is awesome. Believe it, feel it, and you'll make it happen. Whatever you want to manifest. Have a wonderful journey. Again, have a great day. Make sure you subscribe. Everything counts. And we really appreciate your support. And hopefully you're learning something from these lessons as well. So I'm going to continue on my walk. Have a great day. Namaste.